Hi guys, welcome to coding.png. Today is our day 12 of 75 days coding challenge. Today we will see conditional statements and for loop range method. Okay, in Python, let's see what conditional statements are in Python. So we have if statement, else statement, and one we have elif statement. Okay, so let's see one by one what how to use this if, else, and elif statement. So let's take one example. We have to find out the given number is positive, negative, or whether it is zero. Okay, so let me assign one variable to 0. Okay, and let's check whether it is positive, negative, or its value is 0. So how can I check? I have to use the conditional statements. I have to use the if, else, and elif statement. Okay, so if number is greater than 0, then it is positive number, so let me print it out, positive number. Okay, else it is negative number. Okay, let's save this. Let me give it a value as 1. Let's save this and run this. My file name is statements.py. So it is a positive number. Okay, if I give it a -1, this time it return negative number. Okay, if it is 0, then what it would return? It returned me still as negative number, but this is not a negative number, right? So we have to define something for 0 condition as well. So here it comes in a picture elif. Okay, so this elif a keyword we use here. If number equal to 0, okay, then print it is a like exceptional state, and we define it as, okay, it is 0, value is 0. So now run this file and it's giving the number is 0. Okay, if it is -1 or -2, it returns as negative number. So this is how we use this if, else, and elif statements. Okay, we have something called loops in Python. Okay, so we have generally we use for loop. Okay, so in for loop we have a range method. Let me show you what this range method do and how to use for loop in Python. So let's say we have to iterate over till like 10 numbers. Okay, requirement is of to print the first 10 numbers. So use this for loop, for keyword, then number. Okay, and in range we have to give the range. I want first 10 numbers. Okay, so let's print this numbers now. What it return one by one, it gonna iterate through this loop. So it started from the 0 and ended at the 9. So if we count them all, those are like first 10 numbers. So whatever this value we pass, it is like a stopping point. Okay, at 10 it will gonna stop. Before 10, whatever we have, it will return, and if we do not give anything in a start, then it is it will take from the 0. So this is like syntax for the range method. Okay, we have to give the start value, we have to give the end or not end, stop value or step. Okay, so if we give only one value, that is nothing but starting from 0 and stopping at 10. Okay, if I gave, let's suppose 3 to 10, I have to go. Now clear and run. Now starting point is 3 and stopping point is 10, so it stopped at 9. Okay, now I want to stop at 10, so give it as 11 for the stop. So now you can see from 3 to 10 it returned me. So let's see what this step do. Step is like we have to step it like now my requirement is I have to return only these values 3, 5, 7, 9. Like we have to ignore one value in between coming. So that is a like step number we give it. Let's print it and you can see 3, after that 4 it skipped, and 5, 6 it skipped, then 7, 8 it skipped, and it returned 9. So this is what step do in this range method. So this is a range method in Python. Thanks guys.